everyone, welcome back to my Needs Kit channel. Hope everybody is doing great. This time I'm gonna make a great chicken vegetable. This is our ingredients. This is chicken thighs worth of 3 pounds. I cut into big size like this. You need to clean up, guys, like the fat take out in there. That's kind. And then cut of potatoes, red and green bell pepper, series tomatoes. Some of them I cut half and some of them is whole. And then onions and garlic, 1 can of chickpeas, green onion, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a slice of lemon. Now first thing, we're gonna marinate the salt, black pepper, paprika, 1 teaspoon sugar, a little bit of oil, lemon. Mask. Use your hands. I add more lemon. Massage again. You need to taste the exactly salt in there or black pepper. That's it. A little sugar. Then marinate like 2 hours. You're gonna marinate this. It don't matter how many hours. Overnight or whatever, Alright guys, ready to cook now. We need to fry the chicken. Now don't forget, you need to mix it first before you fry the chicken. Okay, this is the time not to pick out, guys. Now when you see we have this, see that? Scrape that. And then put the paper towel in it. Throw away. Right. Put another one. Alright, this is it, guys. They're all cooked. Because this is chicken thigh, it's easy to cook. I'm gonna saute the bell pepper. Oops, not you. Just like a few minutes, guys. That's it. And the onion. That's enough. Then the tomatoes. Just put the tomatoes in there. That's it. Now the chickpeas. Don't put oil on it, guys, because there is oil in the bottom in there. We don't want too much oil. Okay, that's it. This is the one we need. A little more oil in it because we're gonna fry the potatoes. We're gonna fry the potatoes in there. It's cooked now. Brown. Guys, we're gonna saute the garlic, little onion, and put some bullion cubes, guys. Open. Put a little bit of vinegar. Then put this the chickpeas. A little bit of water. Cover it. Open. Put a little sweet pickle relish and ketchup. That's little. Then cover again. Then open. Keep checking the potato is cooked. Alright, it's cooked now. And put the chicken. Alright. Chicken and paper towel. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Then put the yummy. Here, the yummy. And this one. Now we can turn off now the stove. One more thing. Lemon. Lemon in the time of the tomatoes. The cherry tomatoes. And the cilantro. Then another topping for the green onion. Guys, I'm gonna test a little bit. You know one thing? Because of the lemon, lots of seasoning in there. It's good. Alright guys. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. You take care and see you next time.